Look up, see it there? The moon, our constant companion in the night sky, has always been a source of wonder and inspiration. For centuries, it has guided sailors, inspired poets, and been a silent witness to the unfolding drama of life on Earth. The moon, our celestial companion, its surface marked by craters and ancient lava plains, tells a story of cosmic collisions and the passage of time. It has been a steadfast presence, influencing our tides and lighting our nights. It has graced our skies for billions of years. From the new moon to the full moon, its phases have been a reliable calendar for ancient civilizations. The moon's dance across the sky is a reminder of the intricate ballet of celestial bodies. It seems so constant, so permanent. A beacon of stability in an ever-changing world. Its gentle glow has been a source of comfort and mystery, a symbol of the eternal. But what if it wasn't? What if this celestial dance took an unexpected turn? Imagine a world where the moon's steady orbit begins to falter. Imagine this. The moon, our familiar lunar neighbor, begins to drift. No longer bound by its predictable path, it starts to move erratically, causing chaos in the skies. Its orbit, once a graceful waltz around Earth, becomes a terrifying descent. Each night it looms larger and larger, a growing menace in the sky. It grows larger with each passing night, transforming from a gentle orb to a menacing presence in the sky. The familiar face of the moon becomes a harbinger of doom. The familiar patterns of tides become erratic, growing more extreme by the hour. The gravitational pull of the moon wreaks havoc on our oceans, causing unprecedented tidal waves. Coastal cities face unprecedented flooding. Streets turn into rivers, and homes are swallowed by the rising waters. The once predictable tides now bring destruction and chaos. Panic grips the world as the once distant moon becomes an immediate threat. News reports flash warnings, and people look to the sky with a mix of fear and disbelief. The end, it seems, is written in the stars. As the moon's descent continues, humanity faces an uncertain future. The celestial dance that once brought beauty and wonder now heralds a potential apocalypse. The moon, a celestial body that has fascinated humanity for millennia. More than just a pretty face in the night sky, it has been a source of wonder, inspiration, and scientific curiosity. It is a silent guardian, a celestial influencer watching over us from a distance of about 384,400 kilometers. Its gravitational pull dictates the rhythm of our tides, the ebb and flow of ocean currents, creating a dynamic and ever-changing seascape. This lunar dance impacts marine life, coastal ecosystems, and even our weather patterns. The moon's influence extends to the very heart of our planet's natural systems. The moon stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, ensuring a stable climate essential for life as we know it. Without this stabilization, our planet could experience extreme variations in climate, making it difficult for life to thrive. Its gentle light illuminates the night, guiding nocturnal creatures and inspiring countless poets, lovers, and dreamers. The moon has been a muse for art, literature, and music, a symbol of mystery and romance. The moon is woven into the fabric of our planet, a silent partner in Earth's grand cosmic dance. It is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things, a celestial companion that has shaped our world in profound ways. Then silence. The once comforting rhythm of the tides ceases. The moon's gentle pull, a force we've always known, vanishes. Animals, accustomed to navigating by the moon's soft glow, become disoriented. The night sky, once illuminated by our celestial companion, is now an empty canvas. The planet shudders. Earth's axis, no longer stabilized by the moon's gravitational embrace, begins to wobble erratically. Seasons become unpredictable, weather patterns shift dramatically. The delicate balance of our planet, so reliant on the moon's presence, is thrown into utter chaos. The impact is unavoidable. The once familiar lunar surface, now a monstrous, cratered visage, fills the sky. The Earth trembles. The very air crackles with static electricity. Then the unimaginable. The moon collides with Earth. The energy released in this cataclysmic embrace is beyond comprehension. Mountains crumble, oceans boil away. The Earth's crust, once a seemingly impenetrable shell, fractures and buckles. Molten rock spews from the planet's wounded surface, painting the sky with fiery streaks of destruction. The initial impact is just the beginning. When the asteroid collides with Earth, It unleashes an energy equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs. The ground shatters, and a blinding flash of light illuminates the sky, visible from every corner of the globe. The sheer force of the collision sends shockwaves racing through the planet's crust. Shockwaves ripple through the planet, triggering earthquakes and volcanic eruptions on a scale never before witnessed. Entire mountain ranges tremble and collapse, and dormant volcanoes roar back to life, spewing rivers of molten lava. The ground itself seems to writhe in agony, tearing apart cities and landscapes alike. Tsunamis, dwarfing any in recorded history, surge across continents, swallowing entire cities in their wake. Coastal regions are the first to be hit, but the waves travel far inland, leaving a trail of devastation. The ocean itself seems to rise up in anger, reclaiming the land with relentless force. The skies darken as a suffocating blanket of debris, ejected into the atmosphere upon impact, blots out the sun. Day turns to night and temperatures plummet. The once blue sky is now a canvas of swirling ash and smoke, casting an eerie pall over the world below. The air becomes thick with ash and dust, making it difficult to breathe. Every breath is a struggle as particles of debris clog the lungs. Cities are blanketed in a layer of ash, and the air quality deteriorates rapidly, posing a severe threat to all forms of life. Fires rage across the globe, fueled by the unimaginable heat of the impact, and the countless tons of molten rock raining down from the sky. Forests ignite in an instant, and firestorms sweep through the land, consuming everything in their path. The world is engulfed in flames, a testament to the sheer destructive power of the asteroid's impact. In the aftermath, our once familiar planet is unrecognizable. Continents are reshaped, oceans boil away or are displaced, leaving behind vast dry seabeds. The delicate balance of Earth's atmosphere is shattered, replaced by a toxic, scorching hot haze. The planet is plunged into an extended period of darkness. The sun, if it can be seen at all, appears as a faint red disk through the thick clouds of debris. Temperatures fluctuate wildly, from scorching hot during the day to below freezing at night. The question is no longer how we would rebuild, but if we even could. The surface of the planet is an uninhabitable wasteland. The few remaining pockets of life cling to existence in the deepest, darkest corners of the Earth. Some might seek refuge in underground bunkers, sealed off from the ravaged world above. Others might pin their hopes on escaping the dying planet altogether, seeking a new home among the stars. But for the vast majority, survival is a distant hope. The hypothetical scenario of the Moon crashing into Earth serves as a stark reminder. Our existence on this planet is far more fragile than we often care to admit. We are at the mercy of cosmic forces far grander than ourselves. This thought experiment forces us to confront our own mortality on a planetary scale. It underscores the importance of appreciating the delicate balance of our world, a world we often take for granted. But perhaps there is a glimmer of hope in this bleak scenario. Contemplating such a catastrophic event can serve as a call to action. We must become better stewards of our planet, not just for the sake of future generations, but for the preservation of life itself. We must invest in scientific research, explore alternative energy sources, and work together to mitigate the threats we face, both earthly and cosmic. The fate of our planet, our only home, rests in our hands. What will we choose to do with this precious time we have left?